Hello, Missouri City, Texas. My name is Joe. I run AmericanRoofSupplements.com. I maximize roofing claims for roofers all over America. I got some guys in the South Houston area that I like a lot, and I know that they're out there, and I know that they're doing exactly what they're supposed to be doing because I do their supplements. So I get to see what's going on the back end of all their insurance deals and all their roofing stuff. So here's the thing, guys. I'm trying to get them more customers, and I'm trying to make it so when it's 150 million degrees outside, he doesn't have to go out and knock as much, So what we're going to do is, if you haven't gotten your roof checked in the last maybe 6 months, 18 months, 5 years, somewhere in between there, it doesn't matter, then you probably have some sort of damage on your roof, So go ahead, click the link in the description. It's going to take you to my website, and then fill out the form and watch that video. And what I'll do is we'll call you. Either me or one of my guys will call you. They'll get you set up on a free roof checkup. It's 100% complimentary. We're looking for wind or hail damage. And then if there's not enough wind or hail damage to get you a new roof through the insurance company, we'll wait and we'll put it off for another 9 months or 18 months until new storms come through. But might as well, here's the thing. Somebody knocks on your door and you say, hey, I got a roof guy. Done. Yeah, but let me check. No, got a roof guy, And the thing is when you have situations like this, you're given permission, Not some guy knocking on the door, guerrilla marketing is completely and totally different. So go ahead, click the link in the description, fill out the forms, watch the video, and we will talk to you ASAP. Have a great day. Thank you.